Rotary machining roughing. VoluMill pattern for high-efficiency rotary machining. The offset patterns frequently resulted in full-width cuts, particularly within narrow or enclosed geometries like threaded or extruded features. This increased the tool stress and reduced tool life, which ultimately led to limiting the machining efficiency. With the VoluMill pattern, you can now machine these complex geometries, enabling high-speed material removal while reducing stress on the tool and machine. It adapts the toolpath dynamically to maintain constant material removal throughout the cut, automatically steering around the narrow slots in enclosed areas where offset patterns would otherwise produce damaging full-width cuts. The VoluMill pattern removes material more efficiently and extends tool life by avoiding full-width cuts. This improves machine tool performance and facilitates customer acceptance by using a proven industry standard pattern.